Greetings, greetings. The Lynx again with them Chinese bulldogs. We're back on the property and, you know, it's a long drive. We only stay one day, whatever, but trying to bring the dogs over here, so this is the base of the kennel. See? Talking about a little 50 or 20 or 30 or whatever by 12 or something like that. Surrounded by cement pavers with a roof on top, security gate, and then around the bottom, I got some 4-foot deal wire. It thick, it better. Keep more animals out. Better than the chain link fence. Which I got plenty of that, so I might use that too, but I still got the deal wire anyway. But yeah, what I'm trying to show you, gotta start somewhere. You gotta start somewhere to end up where you wanna go. Love your dogs. Take care of yourself.